everyone, today I am going to be reviewing my first ever Eve box. It's called Trendsend. This company started in Minnesota by a couple, and it has gone from a mom and pop shop to the subscription service, which is Trendsend. And they also have a little Trendsend TV and a blog where you can get lots of ideas on styling and trends, so go check them out. The subscription, I don't recall all the details. I did have to fill out likes and dislikes, and if I have a link for a discount, I will put it in the description for you guys. But I think there's a $25 styling fee that will be applied to your purchase if you choose to keep some pieces. Also, if you keep about 4 items, they give you a 10% discount. So I can't wait to see what the box brought, but there were lots of fun things. I'm already excited about it. Let's see what they look like. For this first outfit, the stylist said that I have a classic and fresh look for the holidays. I would style with some booties, even accessorize with a brimmed hat, which I do not have a winter brimmed hat. I would probably find me a tan one and it would look super cute. But the pants, I will put the description of all the items down in the description box, but just remember that some of these pieces you can purchase directly from EVEREVE, and some of them are just, I don't know, they might sell through them, or I might have to go to different websites. But let's take a look at this. One thing that I want you to notice is when you wear a big sweater like this and you're petite like me, the best bet, even also if you have a belly, is to pull up that front and drape the sides and make a upside down U. It will make your legs look a little bit longer. I love that the jeans are stressed. I don't really own stressed jeans. It's just not my style. And the whole look is super comfortable. You could totally dress this up with leather trousers. I think it would elevate the look. But right now, as it is, it's a very casual holiday look if you are planning on just hanging out at home and being cozy. For the second outfit, she has sent me this striped black and white sweater, which she recommends I wear tucked with the pants. I think all outfits will have the distressed pants in them. Just an easy way for them to get 4 outfits in. She says that black and tan is really in at the moment. She said to wear this outfit with booties or trendy sneakers. I just wore them with booties because I had them out already. For the third outfit, she sent me this beautiful black top that has gorgeous detailing. Look at the sleeve with ruffles, V neck, still with the ruffles on the neck. Very lovely. And she recommended that I wear this lovely top with the jeans from the first collection and the shirt jacket or sharket from the second collection. I decided because I wouldn't wear the jeans, really. I put my black leather flared pants on and accessorized with cheetah colors that would go with the jacket. Also, there's some volume to this shirt already on my shoulders, but if I wanted to increase it, I found these shoulder pads and they come in 3 or 4 colors to wear underneath shirts like this in order to balance out my shoulders and hips, or in this case my shoulders and the flares in the pants, and I think that is gonna look amazing. An all black outfit with black pumps also would look lovely. This last outfit is a dress. I will tell you, this is my favorite piece because it's comfortable, it's not itchy, it's just cozy, not too warm for Texas. It is ruched on the side. You can wear it with jean jackets, with the shacket, the shirt jacket that she recommended, which I will not. Boots, flip-flop or sneakers, white jackets, shirt jackets, a little fur vest. There's lots of things you can do with this dress, and like I said, it feels very comfortable. It is my favorite piece in the collection, this and the white sweater. Very nice. So I will take a look and see if they're on sale, and if they are, great, I'll probably keep 1 or 2 of the pieces. I would use the sweater more often than this dress, but it is lovely. Well, I hope you enjoyed this first look at Trendsetter from EVEREVE. I want you guys to have in mind that this was my very first box. The box is much more casual than I'm used to, especially if you watch my front door fashion videos that you can see here, or the old Nordstrom trunk boxes that you see here. With that being said, I'm sure I'm gonna give it a couple more tries. And usually the first few boxes of any collection will have duds in it because the stylist is actually trying to learn what your fit and your preferences are. So I appreciate the box, and we'll see what I'm gonna keep. What do you guys think?